Harry Potter. A great book series I just finished reading, which inspired me to create this new series. The LEGO Harry Potter series is one where I'll be recreating iconic places from the movie, using official sets and a few customs. For the first era, as I'm going to be calling him, we are going to be recreating Diagon Alley. And today we are starting out with our first set to add to it. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes is a great set. As you can see, I've already built it, but I recorded a time lapse. So, let's get building.
It's a great LEGO set, along with the great books, of course. It includes some great minifigures like Ron, with Jenny, some of them are inside, but has a lot of detail and also a lot of fun Easter eggs, like the Umbridge Easter egg. It's very fun and is a very important part of our Diagon Alley because who doesn't love the Weasleys? We also have the owl post over here, which is another great addition, and I feel like, honestly, it could have been its own little LEGO set for cheaper. But it's a great little set, and I'm super excited to keep working on this first era of Diagon Alley.